All aboard the Tech News Games and Deals caboose. Tech News. Alexa is enabling smart lock unlocking with voice commands. Sludge, Sense, and Connect deadbolt smart locks, as well as others, are rolling out and will use a 4-digit PIN, but will be set to off by default. Speech recognition news continues with Nicholas and David's use of targeted audio attacks. The demonstration shows their white box attack in Figure 1 affecting deep speech, injecting up to 50 characters of unrecognizable speech per second into music. Here's an example. Can you hear the machine language? Snapchat started to roll out rollbacks on some design changes for iOS. No news on Android. Snaps and chats are reverting back to chronological order, as well as moving stories from friends back over to the right tab. ZTE, Chinese smartphone maker, recently received a 7-year business ban from selling hardware in the US. But following up on this, President Trump tweeted he is working with China President Xi in effort to get ZTE back into the game. Specifically, the Commerce Department has been instructed to resolve this issue, and we may hear more soon. Jobs for everyone. Games. Microsoft expands digital gifting for PC games and DLCs. Head to the Microsoft Store to select your gift, then enter the lucky individual's email, and they will receive your surprise code with redemption instructions. Limitations include up to 2 discounted products, Xbox 360 plus original games not included, and region-locked redemptions. Fortnite releases Abstrakt outfit and Renegade roller. Now go paint that wood instead of chopping it down. Borderlands 2 receives Community Patch 4.0.17 with improved fixes to items and weapon balance, class and skill changes for Axton, Maya, and more, and many loot drop changes like random legendaries from raid bosses. Deals. Today's deal is the Casa Smart Wi-Fi Plug 2-pack with special Pokemon ability, energy monitoring. Bonus deal is the Google Pixel 32 gig unlocked refurb. It's still in the top 11 DxO mark for cameras. Original news sources and affiliate where to buy purchase links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe. Hopefully the Alexa unlock door feature doesn't work on submarines. That would be a terrible prank.